We set off early yesterday morning and got here around 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that. We started putting out some generators with the delivery trucks, and now we're doing the repair work as we go along.
It's like going back 50 years seeing all this damage. There was a lot more snow 50 years ago, but fewer electric poles to break. 50 years ago, of course, there were embankments and hedges everywhere, which made all the difference. It blocks the wind. It's a protection against the wind.